Hello guys, welcome to MyGo Minds. Today we are going to discuss about how to run your first ReactJS application. We need to install Node.js, right? In previous video we discussed about how to install Node.js as well as Visual Studio Code editor, right? If we want to check whether these Node.js is installed or not in our system, we need to use a command called node space hyphen hyphen version. Now we are going to check whether this Node.js is installed or not. For that, we need to open command prompt here. So we need to type node space hyphen hyphen version. Enter. So our Node.js is installed on your system successfully, and the current version of this Node.js is 20.10. Now we are going to create a new folder on your desktop. Click on folder, give a name called new project, and now we need to open our Visual Studio Code. Search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, here we need to go to file and click on open folder, go to desktop and our folder name called new project and click on select folder. So it will be open in our Visual Studio Code, right? Now we need to go view and search for terminal, right? Now we are going to run our React.js first application. So here you need to understand that it is by defaultly in PowerShell mode. We need to convert this into command prompt. So now we need to write a command called npm create wait at the date latest. So click on enter. So we need to give some project name. So I'll give a project name called my project. So it will ask the package name. I'll keep it as default. Click on enter. So here it will ask us to select a framework, right? So I need to select React framework and variant is JavaScript. Click on enter. Now we need to give the command called cd space my project. So it will use it to change our directory into our my project. And now we need to install some of the packages, right? We need to write npm install. Now we need to run our application, right? For that we need to use a command called npm space run space dev. So by using these command we can run our React.js first application. Click on enter. So here we have the link, right? Just click on that. So our first React application will be open in our browser. So this is the way we need to run our React.js first application. Thank you.